Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If I understand the person, they want the letters of this part to be blank. So whatever they printed on or whatever, um, but you can't just go up here and go up to object and group and ungroup all and take the letter away because it's got a blue background already. So this thing is just 3 inches. Let's make our nudge factor on 4. Set your duplicate distance on 0, 0, because this will be a big part of this. Control D or hit the plus key. Well, I just grabbed that. I want to make a duplicate of everything. Now take this original one and go left click, right click, and there you have the outline. Now, if you need the letters white on this part and not on this part, so then all you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool, go up to your eyedropper and grab that color and place it in there. And now you have that. And then if you do this, now those letters are still not white. The other letters, I think what they're wanting to do are transparent. Let's use green so the yellow won't infect it. Go up to object order, back a page, and you can see that the letters are transparent, but the young lady didn't say anything about this needing to be white. So what you could do then is just get and if you're a printer, make sure you use CMYK, which evidently you do, and just go up here and pick white and then just fill in that with, I like that font with that little, first it looked like a mistake, like right there, but all the letter, whoop, I missed. And so there you have it. No matter what color you make that background, that's the way. Now, if you don't need if you don't need it white, just don't do that last step. But just always think that there could be stuff on top of each other. So just delete it. I mean, make it basically a wireframe, but I don't call it wireframe because I'm just taking away the background. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.